Can I help you?
Hello. I would like a table for 4, please.
Of course. Please follow me. Here is a table for 4.
Thank you. Could you give us the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything to drink?
Just water for me.
I'll have a lemonade.
I'll have a milkshake.
I'll have an orange juice.
Great. I'll be right back. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I'll have the grilled chicken and a salad.
Would you like a starter, sir?
Yes, I'd like the vegetable soup.
For starter, I'd like the vegetable soup. For the main course, I'd like the grilled fish.
I'll have the chicken soup and a lasagna.
I'll have the chicken soup, the grilled chicken and some salad.
Excellent. I'll be right back.
It smells so great.
I am so hungry and I want to eat, but the soup is so hot, I can barely touch it.
Wait for it to cool down before you eat it.
The grilled chicken tastes delicious, doesn't it, Paul?
Yes, Dad, it does indeed.
What about your lasagna, Amy?
I love it. It's my favorite dish.
Great.
How's your fish, Mom?
It's excellent. I'm so glad we came to this restaurant. Could you please pass me the salt, Paul?
Here you are, Mom.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was wonderful, thank you.
Would you like something for dessert?
Yes, for dessert, I'll have ice cream, please.
I'll have the chocolate cake.
I'll have ice cream.
I'll have the cheesecake, please.
Everything looks great. Let's eat the desserts.
Dad, I'm thirsty. I would like to drink some water.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
could you bring my son a glass of water, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Can I bring you anything else?
No, thank you, just the bill.
Okay, sir. I'll be right back with the bill.
May I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a hamburger, french fries, and a salad, please.
Anything else?
A Coke, please.
For Hero to go?
For here.
It costs $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. And here's your order.
Thank you.
Hi, what will you have?
Hi. I'll have a double cheeseburger with fries, please.
Would you like your cheeseburger with everything on it?
No onions, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of mineral water, please.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it.
For Hero to go?
To go.
It costs $7.25.
Here you are.
Here is your order.
Thank you.
How's your food?
The taco is very spicy, but I really like it. What about your hamburger?
My hamburger has a sweet flavor. It's really yummy. I usually don't like spicy food.
I can't stand the sweet flavor. I like it spicy and salty.
So, do you often eat fast food?
Pretty often, about 3 times a week. And you?
I rarely eat fast food. Once a month. What is your favorite thing here?
My favorite food is taco, but I'm also crazy about fried chicken sandwich. It's so tasty. How